My name is Joe Tyson. I'm a sport management major here at St. John Fisher College. When I chose to come to St. John Fisher, I think one of the main reasons I chose Fisher was because I feel the professors are more vested in their students at a private school. Before I came to Fisher, I always had an interest in sports. I always thought that I could see myself doing something in sports. Through the sport management program here at St. John Fisher, I was able to land an internship with the Rochester Red Wings. And I'm getting real world experience and still earning credit for school. The nice part about it is it's something that I've always aspired to do. Most people dread where they go to work, high-rise buildings downtown, and I get to pull into a stadium where people actually want to be and people come to have fun. I'm Joe Tyson, and the sport management program at St. John Fisher is helping me achieve my dream.